Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Marvel Rivals on PC, alright? I'll show you the two ways on how to download here on PC. First up, you're going to want to download Epic Games Launcher or Steam, alright? If you don't know how to do so, you just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type in Epic Games Launcher, hit on enter. And as you can see here, we have the option to install it from here. Just click on it and just hit on the download button. Now, once the download is done, just go ahead and follow the simple prompts on how to install it. For Steam, same steps. Just type in Steam, install Steam. Right here, install, and that will be a download page. All right, just start the download and install the Steam app. Now, once done, go ahead and open up either Steam or Epic Games, which one you like. For example, Epic Games right here. I'm going to open it up. Now, if you don't have an account yet, it will require you to sign in or sign up. All right, just go ahead and do so. Then once you're in here, in the Epic Games Launcher, just click on the search store function right here and just type in Marvel Rivals. All right, as you can see here, it is available and it is completely free. Just wait for it to load, then hit on get right here. As you can see here, it says thank you. That means that the game is in your library. It says here, view in library. Just hit on view in library. Click on install right here and wait for it to finish and enjoy. Now, if you're using Steam, double click on Steam to open it up. Go ahead over to store. Locate Marvel Rivals. Right here, completely free. You just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and click on play a game. Once you click on it, your download will be shown in here. Now just go ahead and go back to your library. Once it's installed, then locate Marvel Rivals. Click on it and just hit on play. And that's basically how you download Marvel Rivals on PC. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.